In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nudge elements in Canva. Nudging is a simple way to move any item in your design by very small amounts, so you can line things up with pixel-level accuracy. It's perfect when dragging with your mouse feels too jumpy, or when you want that logo, icon, or text box to sit just a touch closer to where it should be. Start by heading to your project. Open the design you're working on so you can see the canvas and all your layers. Once your design is on screen, look directly at the element you want to refine. Click it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. If you're clicking on a busy area, take a moment to make sure the exact element you meant to select is highlighted. You should see the selection outline hug that item cleanly, confirming you're working on the right layer. With the element selected, use your keyboard's arrow keys to nudge. Tap the left, right, up, or down arrows to move the element in very small increments along that direction. Each tap makes a tiny adjustment, which gives you fine control without overshooting. If you need a bit more movement, tap the same arrow again, or hold it down briefly to let it glide a few extra pixels. Because you're using the arrows, you won't accidentally rotate or resize the element. Nudging keeps the change strictly to position. Watch the canvas as you nudge. You'll often see helpful guides appear when edges or centers align with other items. Those smart guides are there to show you when things line up perfectly, so take advantage of them. If the adjustments feel very subtle, that's expected. Nudging is intentionally precise. Paying attention to the element's relationship to nearby text, images, or margins will help you stop right when it looks balanced. If you're fine-tuning a layout, it can be helpful to look closely at spacing between elements as you nudge. Even a few taps can make a headline read cleaner, a button feel centered, or an icon sit more comfortably next to text. This is also useful for straightening out small misalignments that can be hard to grab with the mouse. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the element to select it, then use the arrow keys to make small, controlled moves. With a few quick taps, you'll get that perfect placement and a more polished, professional look across your design.